Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how to withdraw money from Binance to your Revolut app. Let's get started. So essentially here we have a step-by-step guide provided by AI. So all you simply need to do is log into your Binance account, navigate to the wallet selection, select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and choose convert. Then go ahead and choose the fiat currency you want to convert it to, for example, euros or USD, and enter the amount. Confirm the conversion and wait for the transaction to complete. Now, once you've done that, withdraw the fiat from Binance to your bank account. Navigate to the withdraw section within your Binance account, select the fiat currency you converted to, and then choose bank transfer or wire transfer as your withdrawal method. Go ahead and enter your bank details and confirm the withdrawal. Now, once you've done that, log on to your Revolut account, go to the Payments tab and select New, choose Bank Recipient, and enter the necessary details, which will include your banking information. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your bank account to Revolut and confirm the transfer. Essentially, there is no direct way to transfer from Binance to Revolut, but what you can do is introduce a middleman and transfer from Binance to your bank account and then Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.